Hello, lovely students. Welcome back to our channel. In this video lesson, we will discuss the Maturita topic, housing. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with a brief description of my apartment. I live in an apartment building near the town center. My apartment is situated on the third floor, which is the top floor. The apartment is very modern and in very good condition. It has two balconies. One is smaller and the other one is a little bit bigger. It's easy to heat our apartment because we have central heating with large radiators and a fireplace too. It is very quiet, bright, and cozy. There are two bedrooms, a large living room, a dining room, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a pantry. Types of houses, various places where people live. A detached house stands by itself and is not attached to another house. A semi-detached house, two houses joined together by a common wall. Townhouses, several houses joined together in a row to form a street. A cottage, a small house in the countryside or in a village. A studio apartment, a small apartment with one main room used for cooking, sleeping, and living. A bungalow, a house with only one floor. There is no upstairs. A villa or mansion, a large and expensive house with front and backyards. It also has a patio with furniture and a pool. Household chores, tasks and responsibilities. In our family, we all have daily and weekly tasks to complete. We make the beds, do the ironing, prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Wash the dishes. Do the laundry. Water the houseplants. Go grocery shopping. Vacuum the floors. Empty the trash can. Mop the floor. Sweep the floor with a broom. Dry the dishes. Set the table. Clean the windows. Tidy up our rooms. Dust the furniture. Fold the laundry after washing. And walk the dog. The kitchen is the favorite room in our family's home. It's where everyone comes together, family and friends. It's always full of people and noise. It's a good-sized room, not too big or too small. Here's what you can find in our kitchen. 4 comfy chairs around a large rectangular table, a big window above the stove and sink. Many electric appliances like an oven, microwave, kettle, dishwasher, and more. Our cabinet holds lots of items: bowls, plates, knives, forks, spoons, mugs, cups, pots, pans, and tools like can openers. There's also a dish towel for drying dishes, a grater for cheese, a colander for draining water, a peeler for removing the skin from fruits, a wooden spoon, and a trash can for garbage. The kitchen is where we all gather. It's a happy place where we chat, cook, and enjoy tasty food together. Our living room has recently been furnished and includes a large leather sofa with 2 armchairs and many colorful cushions, a dresser, a closet, and a round coffee table. Ceiling lights and wall lights illuminate the room. Along the wall, there is a big bookcase with numerous intriguing books. The walls display beautiful paintings and photos of our family. My mom loves houseplants, so our living room is filled with them. There are also the drapes and shades on the windows. We also have modern electronic gadgets in our living room, including a television, a streaming device, a sound bar, and wireless speakers. We enjoy spending time in this room. It's a place where we can relax, watch TV, listen to music, read books or magazines, or simply take a nap. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It includes a shower, a bathtub, a sink with a mirror above it, and a toilet. You'll also find some towels there for drying your body, soap, toothpaste and a toothbrush, shampoo, body lotion, a hairbrush or comb, tissues, perfume, and a razor for men. Now, let's take a look at some bathroom routines. In the bathroom, we brush our teeth, take a bath, take a shower, wash up after work or school, shave, get dressed, comb our hair, and get undressed. As for my bedroom, it has been newly decorated and furnished. It includes a twin bed with a fitted sheet, 2 pillows, and a comforter. There's a nightstand with a bedside lamp, a big closet, and a chest of drawers. In one corner of the room, there's a desk with a chair, a computer, and a desk lamp. On the walls, you'll find numerous posters of my favorite singers, pop bands, and heroes. My bedroom serves as a space where I sleep, play computer games, do my homework, chat with my friends online, read books, dream about my promising future, and listen to music. However, nothing is perfect, and sometimes common problems arise in our household. For instance, the lamp isn't working and I try to change the light bulb. The radiator is leaking or there's a dripping faucet. In those cases, I call a plumber who repairs it. If the TV isn't working properly, I call an electrician who repairs it. Spilling something on the carpet happens often, so we try to remove it with detergent. Sometimes the desk gets scratched and my dad and I try to fix it. The bedroom needs to be redecorated, so I assist my father with the task. When there's an issue with the door, I apply oil to the hinges. Occasionally, I use a hammer to drive in a nail, or a drill to make a hole. Sometimes the drawer on my desk gets jammed or stuck, but we always fix it. Now, let's move outside and talk about the exterior of our home. Both Slovaks and British people love gardening. Slovaks tend to have larger gardens behind their houses, and they spend quite a lot of time growing vegetables and fruit. There is a lot of work around the house, including mowing the lawn, sowing seeds, weeding the flower beds, planting flowers and watering them, building a greenhouse, trimming the hedge, and building a summer house for relaxation, buying a house or a flat. Currently, it is not easy to buy a flat or a house. The prices of property are extremely high. It is nearly impossible for a young family to buy a flat without their parents' help or a mortgage. They have to pay it off in regular monthly installments. Some houses are shared by two families. These families often take out a loan for the reconstruction of the house or flat. These days, living in rented flats and houses is becoming quite normal, especially for younger families. Living in towns and cities. We are all very much influenced by the place where we grow up. Living in towns and cities has both advantages and disadvantages. In a city or town, there are often many job opportunities, better schooling possibilities, opportunities to have a rich social life. Many cultural events are held there, such as concerts, operas, theater performances, and so on. Sports facilities, a swimming pool, tennis courts, a stadium, an ice rink, and others. There are many shopping malls where one can buy all sorts of goods under one roof. There are usually a few local hospitals that provide health care. Public transport connections are fine. And of course, you get plenty of privacy. On the other hand, city inhabitants live in a polluted, noisy, crowded, and hectic environment. The air is often polluted by fumes from factories and cars. There is a high rate of crime caused by pickpockets, shoplifters, burglars, and drug dealers. It is not an ideal place to raise children. Homelessness is another major issue in bigger cities. Traffic jams are also common. Problems with parking. And the cost of living is high. Let's wrap up this topic with some proverbs about how special a home truly is. My home is my castle. Home is where the heart is. Dry bread at home is better than roast meat abroad. East or west, home is best. There is no place like home. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you next time!